Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I grabbed over at Walgreens for the week. I was able to get all of this, which is $75 worth of products, completely free. So I'm going to tell you exactly how I did that step by step. I am also going to show you how I chose to use my spend $50, get $10 in Walgreens cash, as well as some super easy Walgreens cash matchups at the very end of the video, and a few clearance pictures as well. I also have an amazing scenario. If you happen to be a new Rakuten user and you use my link that I'm going to drop down in the video description box, I have a scenario that will be a $28 moneymaker, which is incredible. So I'm going to share all that information with you here in just a moment, but a couple of quick announcements. If y'all haven't had a chance to check out my last video, I was actually really excited to post that one. It is an app that I use that gives me cash back when I purchase gasoline, as well as cash back on restaurants. It's called Get Upside. So I will link that down in the video description box below, but you definitely want to check that out because I am saving every single time I fill up on gas, which has saved me quite a bit of money over time. All right, enough announcements. Let's get into these deals. I'm going to walk you through each one individually, and then I'll tell you how I did the spend $50, get $10 in Walgreens cash. First up, let's talk about a moneymaker. Of course, it's toothpaste. Colgate toothpaste. Buy 2 of them at $2.99 and get a $4 register reward. So $2.99 times 2 is $5.98. I had a $2 off one digital as well as a 50-cent off one digital. So I paid $3.48. I got a $4 register reward, making it free and a 52-cent moneymaker. Next up, and I did this last week, but you should still see the coupons to do it this week. This eyeshadow, Wet n Wild eyeshadow, as well as a number of other Wet n Wild products are $2.99. Now this is a curbside deal because the value of the coupons exceeds the value of the product. There is a $1.50 digital coupon as well as a $1.50 Walgreens store digital coupon. Both of those will come off at checkout with a curbside order or an online order, making this product completely free. Now, if you have questions about anything I'm saying, please drop them down in the comment section below because I'm happy to help you. Revlon this week, buy 2, get $5 in register rewards. So a couple of different ways you can do this. You can grab these eyelash curlers. These are priced at $2.99 online. Buying 2 is $5.98. You would get $5 in register rewards back, making it just 98 cents for both of them or 49 cents a piece. I also did the deal a second time, and you would want to do this in separate transactions because you're only going to get that $5 register reward once per transaction. I grabbed these Revlon eyeshadows priced at $5.69. Okay, so 2 of them is $11.38. There was a $3 digital, but when I checked out as a curbside order, that $3 digital came off twice. It attached to both of these items, so $6 came off my total. I paid $5.38. I got a $5 register reward. And when I did that, I grabbed these lipsticks as well. Now, when I purchased these items together, not only did I get the $5 register reward for these, but I got a $5 store coupon off any cosmetics purchase. So, and it had like a really long expiration date. I'm going to pop it up on the screen for you so you can see what it looks like. But to me, that made these free and a $4.62 moneymaker, which was awesome. Just depends on how you want to account for that $5 bonus store coupon. Now, these Revlon Hyper Matte Lip Mousse, they are priced at $7.49. Again, I had a $3 Revlon lip digital that applied twice, so $6 came off. So I paid a total of $8.98, but for these products, it is a $7 register reward back, which makes it $1.98 for both of them, or just 99 cents each. So great deal on some more expensive cosmetics. I also grabbed the One by Poise liners. These are $7.79. I had a $3 digital, so I paid $4.79. But Ibotta had not only an offer, but a bonus for buying one. So I got $3 back on Ibotta for buying this product, and then a $3 Ibotta bonus. So I got $6 back total, making this completely free and a $1.21 moneymaker. Now, couple of things. If you're not using Ibotta yet, grab it using my referral code because you're gonna get an additional $10 back when you scan your first receipt. If you wanna know how to use Ibotta, I do have a complete tutorial on that I can link in the video description box below. But most importantly, double check and make sure that bonus is still there. I talked with someone this morning and their bonus wasn't there. It was there for me yesterday when I submitted my receipt to Ibotta. So just double check before you purchase this item and make sure you have the same offers that I have. Okay, Zantac, this is kind of a different one. This is a product that we use. It is priced at $11.99. Now, there is a $3 digital. There is a $3 store digital. So I paid $5.99. And then there is a $3 offer on Ibotta, making this just $2.99 when it's a product that we use and it's originally $12. I thought that was a fantastic price. And of course, I included it in my spend 50, get 10, so it made it even cheaper. Okay, great deal on Frosted Flakes and Fruit Loops. My store only had the Frosted Flakes in stock, so these are priced at $1.88 on sale. Now, Ibotta has different rebates for this, so depending on what you have, you're gonna get a different amount back. I had an offer for 65 cents back, making this box of cereal just $1.23, which I thought was a great price. Nope, not lastly, I have a couple more things. Another Ibotta offer is on these Baby Ruths. So I bought 4 of them total, okay, for $2. Okay, so they were 50 cents each. But there is an Ibotta offer. So for the 4 of them, I ended up getting $1 back, which makes all 4 of them only $1 or 25 cents a piece. So with Halloween coming up, I thought that was a great price. Plus it gives me another offer towards bonuses on Ibotta. Now it's the last deal I did, which was the hair care deal of spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash. Now, I grabbed 2 Garnier, 2 Doves, and 2 Tresemes. So let me tell you how the math works out. Now, the Dove Intensive, these are buy one, get one half off. So one's gonna ring up at $4.49, the other's gonna ring up at $2.24. The Garnier Fructis, these are $3.49 each, so I purchased 2 of those. And then you can grab 2 of the Tresemes at $3.99. I grabbed one that was $1 more expensive. It was $4.99. But again, it was a product that we needed, so it made more sense for me to do it that way. But you could buy $3.99 and you would still hit that $20 mark. Now, there are digital coupons for these items. There is a $3 Dove digital, a $3 Garnier digital, and a $4 Tresemme digital. So after those coupons, you would pay $11.69. Okay, before coupons, we were at $21.69. After coupons, $11.69. And you would get back $5 in Walgreens cash for spending 20. That makes it $6.69 for all 6 of those items. Now, if you had a spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash digital booster, not only would you get the $5 back for the spending 20 in hair care, you would get the $5 back for spending 20 with that digital booster. So that makes it an amazing deal. Because I did not have the spend 20, get 5, I had to spend 50. So let me tell you how I chose to use my spend 50, get $10 in Walgreens cash digital booster. I grabbed these hair care products exactly the way you see them here. So that included the $1 more expensive Tresemme. I grabbed the One by Poise, the Baby Ruth, the Revlon Eyelash Curlers, the Wet n Wild Eyeshadow, the Zantac, and the Frosted Flakes. Okay, so before coupons, That total was $55.32. Now I have to be at $50 after the Walgreens store coupons come off in order to get that $10 back. So there was a $1.50 store coupon for the Wet n Wild, and there was a $3 store coupon for the Zantac. So after those came off, I was at $50.82. Now, after all the coupons, all the digital manufacturer coupons came off, I was at $33.33. Okay, I did this as a curbside deal. I did it online because oftentimes the online prices are cheaper, but I also go through Rakuten, which will give you up to 3% cash back. Okay, so I go through Rakuten, I search for Walgreens, I click on Walgreens, it reroutes me to my Walgreens app, and then I just check out like normal, but Rakuten also gives me cash back. Stay with me. After spending that $33.33, and I did pay that out of pocket, if you have manufacturer register rewards, you could use those to reduce your out-of-pocket cost, but you would not want to pay with Walgreens cash. Now, I got back the $10 in Walgreens cash for spending $50. I got back the $5 in Walgreens cash for spending $20 on hair care. I got back the $6 on Ibotta for the Poise, $3 on Ibotta for the Zantac. I got back $1 on Ibotta for the Baby Ruth, 65 cents back on Ibotta for the Frosted Flakes, $5 register reward for the Revlon, and 62 cents back on Rakuten for going through them before checking out. So that made all of those items just $2.06. So awesome, awesome deal, especially since that includes medicine that my husband needed anyway. Now, if you are brand new to Rakuten, you've never used it before, use my link, because if you did that exact scenario, you're spending over $30, you will get $30 back from Rakuten. Right now with Rakuten, new users who use my link and spend $30 at least will get $30 back from Rakuten. So huge moneymaker if you are new. If you have questions, let me know. I do have a tutorial on how to use the Rakuten app or Rakuten website as well. I think that was it for this week. Hope y'all are having a great start to your week. Stay tuned to the end of the video where I have some clearance pictures as well as simple ways to use your Walgreens cash on sale items this week. Thanks.